Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another shopping haul. Today I went over to Ross's because I am redoing my laundry room because I got a new washer and dryer. And if you haven't seen that, I will link it below so you can take a look at my new washer and dryer. I was pretty excited because I had my old one for like 20 plus years, 25 years. So I was very excited when I got it. I've been looking at Pinterest trying to get ideas of what I wanted to do to my laundry room, and I came up with a few. So I went to Ross's to see if I could find the right stuff for my shelves, and here's what I got. The first thing that I found, I was very excited because that was like my number one thing that I was looking for, was one of these, I don't know, I call them a lemonade dispenser, juice party dispenser. You put drinks in it. I've got a plastic one I keep in my refrigerator to keep the kids' Kool-Aid in, so they just open the door and, you know, get their drink. But people are putting this on their shelves with their laundry detergent inside, their liquid laundry detergent. So I'm going to put this on my shelf, and I'm going to make a pretty little label for it, and it's going to be so pretty. I can't wait. The next thing that I found was just a plain old jar that you usually would use in your kitchen, and I saw different ways of using this. I don't know what I'm using the big one for. If you have an idea for me for using the big one, leave it in a comment below, okay? But I've got a smaller one that I know I'm going to use. Those little beads, the smell good beads you put in your laundry, I'm going to fill it up with this, and I'm going to make little labels for it too. Next thing is, I saw lots of different ways of doing like tip jars, ways to put in your whatever change you find. And I thought, well, I'll do a mason jar or I'll do the piggy bank. But I came across this little thing, again, something you would use for your kitchen. And it's $2. So I was like, I'll use this for my tip jar. I'll make a little label and put tips on it, or tip jar or something. The next four things that I got were all for the top shelf because my husband is really bad about leaving ugly stuff in my laundry room, like tools, paintbrushes, just stuff that he doesn't want to go down to the basement to get, and he leaves them in my laundry room. So I was like, what am I going to do? Stop putting this stuff in my laundry room. I'm trying to decorate it, make it pretty. He said, oh, just get me some totes. And I was like, I'm not putting totes in my pretty laundry room. So I went to Ross's and I found some pretty boxes. And so this is the big one, and then it's got a smaller one inside. Big one, smaller one. And then I got something similar, another big one, and another small one. So I got 4 baskets for the top, and I've already put them up there and they fit perfectly. I'm so excited. Now, I live in Georgia, but I'm like right on the Tennessee line. So luckily I have a Ross's in my hometown. And I went there a few days ago and I just could not find the stuff that I wanted. And Ross's is funny. It's a hit or miss kind of thing. You just have to go all the time until you find what you're looking for. Or sometimes you don't even know you're looking for it and it's like the perfect thing. But I just happened to be having to go to Tennessee, which is just 20 or 30 minutes from where I live. And I went to the other Ross's and they had all of this. All of it. And it was everything that I needed. So I'm excited. I can't wait for my laundry room to be done so I can show you. I've cleaned everything out. I painted it. I got a new washer and dryer. I'm making cute little pictures to put in it. And now I've got all this other stuff. So keep watching for my next video where you can see the finished project of my remodel laundry room. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see my other videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.